Good morning YouTube, how are you? It's quite chilly today, it's December the something, I don't remember what days it is. My question to you is, can you ride in the winter and be comfortable and warm and still enjoy it? Well, the answer is yes, you can. Stay tuned and I'm going to tell you how. So what can you do then to ride in the winter, make it comfortable and enjoyable? It's all about the kit you wear. So what I'm wearing at the moment, I'll go from bottom to top. I've got DJI Adventure 2 boots on, which are completely waterproof and they're quite warm. I've also got a pair of leggings on, so a base layer. On top of that I've got my Kevlar jeans. On top of that I've got some waterproof trousers, so these are the climb over trousers. So that bit's sorted out, I'm warm. Bottom half down. Top half, I've got a base layer on, then just a t-shirt, and bear in mind it's only 8 degrees at the moment, so it's chilly. A t-shirt and then a heated jacket. On top of the heated jacket I've got my normal Rucker waterproof, windproof jacket. So that's my arms, my torso all sorted there. I've got heated gloves on, so they're nice and warm as well. I've got a really thick snood on, and that's my neck sorted. So then go to the bike, I've got heated seats, that's not on at the moment. Heated grips, they're not on either, the gloves are doing the job. So even on the coldest days, I'm toasty warm. The only thing that gets cold now and again is my nose, but other than that it's fine. So I can ride on a day like this and enjoy it because I'm nice and warm. The heated kit is an absolute game changer for riding bikes in the winter, and it's no longer stupid expensive. This kit I've got plugs into the bike and I control it off a controller to tell the jacket how warm to be or the gloves to what. So I can separate the heat from the gloves and the jacket at kind of different temperatures. Now you can get heated kit now that is battery operated, and with the invention of lithium, the batteries do last a lot longer. So I've got some RST heated gloves that I use on the training ground if it's cold, and I've got a heated gilet that's nice as well, all operated by batteries. It lasts about 4 hours, nice and comfortable, toasty warm again. So if you really want to go out for it and enjoy riding, heated kit is the stuff to go for. As I say, it's not that expensive nowadays. I think one of the examiners at Burton, Dave, recently got some Keys heated kit. He got jacket and gloves, and I think it was around about 400 quid for the lot, so that's not bad. Now if you haven't got that, you can double up. So thick pair of Kevlar jeans with a base underneath it, and definitely waterproof trousers over the top. Same for your top half of your body, a thick jump underneath your jacket. Make sure your jacket again is waterproof and windproof. Thick gloves to keep your hands nice and warm, and get yourself some heated grips. And they're not expensive these days, you can get them put on quite cheaply. So there's lots of options so you can still ride in the winter and stay warm. But so going back to heated kit, honestly, once you've tried it, you'll never go back. It's the stuff to get. Now obviously, one of the things you have to be aware of wearing heated kit is you get this false sense of security that it's 20 degrees and you're riding in the summer. So just be aware that it's still cold out there. The road surface isn't as good, it's not as grippy. There'll be gravel everywhere, water everywhere. Could be ice in these microclimates underneath trees and stuff, so when the sun's not hit it. So just be aware that it isn't summer, that it may well feel like with a heated kit on. I gently sometimes do this, just crack open my visor, and that gives me a reminder that actually it's quite nippy out there because the nose is getting cold already. So to stay warm in the winter, it is quite easy to do, and if you want to go the heated kit way, It's not as expensive as it used to be. So, do you guys ride in heated kit? What advice you got to others to keep them warm in the winter, apart from go in the car? Because I know that's going to come up. Yeah, leave the bike at home and go in the car, mate. And I would be in the car if it was icy or snowy. There's no way I'd ride in those conditions. It's stupid. But yes, give the world your ideas as well, folks. Put them in the comments below. What do you wear in the winter to keep yourself nice and warm and dry? And thanks for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.